Welcome to the third in a series of videos showing what takes place on a novice forklift truck counterbalance course. Today we will go into the racking system and show what you have to do in able to retrieve and deposit pallets in the racking system. These are key skills that you have to learn in order to be able to operate forklift trucks safely, and will be replicated later on in the course on your practical test. So it's essential that we firstly understand and secondly master these skills. This is a culmination of all the skills that we've previously been taught. Don't worry, if you listen, it's quite straightforward. The first manoeuvre today is destacking pallets at eye level. Remember how the truck is set safely for travel. See how the operator has placed himself in the centre of the aisle and lined up and turns watching the front and the rear end swing of the truck. Look how the forks are raised to eye level and checked. Look how the operator enters the pallet without touching it. When the pallet is lifted, he applies back tilt to stabilise the load. See how the pallet is lifted and removed slowly and carefully. See how he reverses out, looking in direction of travel, slowly and carefully. Look how exactly the same actions are completed in reverse to place the pallet back inside the racking system. See how close the load is to the racking system when placing the pallet back in. There's a very short gap between the edge of the pallet and the edge of the racking system. Look at the speed and the control of the truck and how you must be able to safely manage the movement of it in order to locate the load. This manoeuvre is destacking and stacking at high level. Similar to the previous task, however, you are now working higher. You have to adjust the forks slowly. Look at the increased observation the operator makes. Look at the speed the truck operates and the control you must have of the truck as an operator to safely locate the load. See the effect picking a load up has on the mast of the truck and how the operator has to counter this by applying back tilt to stabilise the load. The truck can easily become unstable, especially now you're working at height. The next manoeuvre is learning how to pick up and travel with live loads. A live load refers to a load which moves around in transit. Water, oil and powders are all types of live loads. See how when entering the load it begins to move around in the container. See how the truck can easily become unstable. Look at when the operator brakes, the effect it has on the truck. See how unstable the truck and the load become at speed. See how difficult it is to safely move in a straight line with a live load. See how the load can easily become removed from the forks if you don't have the load stabilised. Always make sure that full back tilt is applied when travelling with a live load. Loads can easily move around or fall off the forks if you do not control the speed and the movement of the truck. Thank you for watching this video today. One more stage and we'll be ready to run through the full testing procedures. Don't worry, 97% of our customers pass this course. You could soon be one of those too. Thanks for watching.